Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Oppo has introduced a new phone under its sub-brand RealMe and it's the RealMe 1. And in this video, we are going to show you the hands-on and our first impression of this phone. So let's start. RealMe 1 was launched recently and it is exclusively available on Amazon. There are two variants available. First is the 3GB RAM and the 32GB storage, which is priced at 8,999. And then we have the 6GB RAM and the 128GB storage, which is priced at 13,990 rupees. And the one we have here is a 6GB variant. So here is the box. In the front we have the RealMe 1 branding. The MRP of the phone is 14,990 rupees. And here you can see the RAM and the storage capacity of the phone. And this phone also supports voice over LTE. So let's open the box and see the content now. So up on the top we have this envelope that has the RealMe branding. Inside it we have the documentation such as safety information, user guide and SIM ejection pin. We also get the TPU transparent back case, which is getting common these days. Then we have the phone itself wrapped in a plastic cover. Let's keep it aside and see what else we have here. We have the power adapter, which has the output of 5V 2A and a standard micro USB charging cable. Now let's look at the phone closely. Oppo has advertised the phone before its launch for its design, and no doubt the design of the RealMe 1 looks really good. The back of the phone has a design which is a bit different than what we have seen in this price segment. The back has a diamond cut design which reflects the light in a way that you get the amazing looking effect on the back panel. The back is made up of acrylic plastic with a high glossy finish. Even though it looks amazing, but the back of the phone is fingerprint magnet, so it's better to use the phone with the case. Overall, in terms of design, we really love how the phone looks and the build quality is also pretty decent. And it's really good to see this design in this budget phone. Now moving towards the screen of the phone, it's the 5.99-inch 18:9 Full HD Plus display, which has a resolution of 2160x1080. The display has rounded corners and there are no physical buttons in the front. Instead, you have the on-screen navigation. The color output of the screen is good and it offers good viewing angles. So overall, it was a good experience watching videos on this screen. In the front we have the 8MP front shooter along with the earpiece and the proximity sensor. Then we have the volume buttons on the left side and the power button on the right side. We have the hybrid SIM tray, which is also located on the right side of the phone. Then at the bottom we have the speaker grill, charging port, mic and the 3.5mm headphone jack. Apart from the beautiful diamond cut design, at the back we have the 13MP camera along with a single tone flash. Then we have the RealMe and the Oppo branding, and it also says designed by Oppo, assembled in India. In terms of performance of the phone, we have the MediaTek Helio P60, which is an octa-core processor. This processor is considered as the MediaTek's best mid-range chipset ever. We also did the benchmark, gaming and the heat test. And in the Antutu benchmark, we got a score of around 1,39,000, which is a decent score from this hardware, and the similar benchmark performance with the Geekbench 4. In terms of gaming, we played PUBG on it and we were able to play the game only in medium settings. Here are the settings which we have set for playing this game. There is also a gaming acceleration mode which enhances the overall gaming experience. There was no issue playing the game in this setting and the MediaTek Helio P60 was able to handle the game pretty well. In terms of heating, before playing the game the temperature was around 40 degrees Celsius, and after playing the game for 25 minutes, the phone did not heat up, but we noticed that it was slightly more warmer in some places of the phone. Talking about the OS, the phone has the ColorOS 5.0, which is based on the Android Oreo 8.1. It's heavily customized OS with lots of additional features. Some of the features are game acceleration, screen recording, themes, app cloning and the gestures. By default you have the on-screen navigation buttons, but you can also use a gesture, something very similar to what we have seen in the OnePlus 6. You have the different gesture options and we will go with this one. Here if you long swipe from the middle of the screen, it will open the app switcher. Swiping from the sides of the screen will go back, and if you are inside the app, short swiping from the middle will minimize the app. I have used the phone for a while now and I did not see any performance issue and the OS was smooth and lag free. The one thing which I did not like in the OS is the notifications. You cannot swipe right or left to remove the notifications. Instead, you need to swipe first and then hit the delete button in order to remove the notifications. Apart from that, the device can handle your daily tasks and gaming without any issues. Now talking about the RealMe 1 camera, the back camera on the phone is a 13 megapixel which has an aperture of f2.2. Let me show you quickly some sample pictures. We have clicked these pictures in artificial lighting and the result was average. The colors were little off sometime in low light, and here are a couple of outdoor photos. The UI of the camera is good and it is user friendly. The camera app has lots of features such as depth of field and super vivid. Using the super vivid mode, it enhances the color of the photo. Here is a picture with and without the super vivid mode, and you can see the difference yourself. Apart from that, we have the AR stickers, which is similar to the stickers we have seen on Instagram and Snapchat. Now moving towards the front camera, it is an 8 megapixel camera with an aperture of f2.2. The performance of the front camera is good when there is sufficient light, and indoors, the output of the camera is average. You also have the AI beauty mode in the front camera. The battery of the RealMe 1 is 3410 mAh, and the phone comes with the AI support, which according to the company, the device will learn your usage pattern and accordingly take care of the battery. And during our testing, which involved benchmark and gaming, we believe that in moderate usage, it should last for one whole day. We will test the phone more and will let you guys know about the battery performance in next few days. So guys, this was the RealMe 1 by Oppo. Overall, it's a good looking phone at a decent price and the specs are good, keeping in mind the price of the phone. The performance of the phone is as expected and we did not see any issue while using the phone for gaming and other daily tasks. Now a few things which you need to keep in mind before buying the phone is the average camera performance and the lack of fingerprint sensor and the front LED notification light. Though you have the face unlock feature in the phone, but the face unlock is not that secure as it unlocks the phone even your eyes are closed or if you're looking somewhere else. But that being said, at this price it's not a bad option. And phone has a good design, but I'll be honest here, there are other phones which also offers good performance and better camera in this price range, such as Redmi Note 5 and Note 5 Pro and the Asus Zenfone Max Pro. We will also do a comparison of the RealMe 1 with these phones, so stay tuned for that. So that's it guys, this was the hands-on review of the RealMe 1. What do you think about this phone? Did you like the diamond cut design? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off and I'll see you in the next one.